Kegel exercises for men help to improve the tone of your PC muscle, which is automatically quite low. If you use Kegels, then you can reach a point where your muscles are stronger and therefore avoid urinary incontinence problems and also last much longer in bed. But how to do a Kegel workout? What does it involve? What types of exercise are there? How do you start off? For how long should you do Kegel exercises? But first, isolate the muscle. It's very important you know how to do Kegels properly. Kegels vary only in timing and length of application. The muscle worked out is the same every time, the PC muscle. You can isolate this by going to the toilet and stopping the flow of your urine midstream. Notice how your testicles move slightly. Notice that this muscle is distinct from your sphincter. How long will it take? Every man starts off with a PC muscle that can only stop the flow of urine and is rarely tested. To work this muscle out to the extent that you have greater control and can even stop an ejaculation, you need to do daily workouts for around 4 to 6 weeks. Exercise number 1: regular workout. A regular Kegel workout will involve a sequence of 10 repetitions. Each is applied and released straight after, and the whole set takes around 15 to 20 seconds in total. Exercise number 2: long and slow hold. This exercise is done usually starting from week 2. You still do the regular exercise, but you also do a set where each repetition is held for a couple of seconds before being released. This time you will take around 30 seconds to complete the set. By holding the muscle for a short period, you are giving it a much more vigorous workout that will build muscle strength fast. Exercise number 3: rapid fire. This exercise can only be done when you have developed sufficient strength in your PC muscle and is usually only seen from around week 3 onwards. In one of these sets, you quickly tense the muscle and then quickly release it so that you can start your next rep as soon as possible. The entire sequence takes barely 10 seconds, if that. To learn more about Kegel exercises and how it can improve your muscle tone and performance in bed, click the link below.